You're almost done with your garment, just the waistband is left to finish. Start by ironing interfacing onto one half of your waistband, then fold the waistband in half lengthwise and iron it flat. Pin the waistband right side to right side along the top edge of your pants, using the side with the interfacing. Ensure that the waistband overlaps at the lower extension with the underlap by about 1 centimeter, which is the seam allowance for closing the waistband. Sew it in place. Next, press the seam allowance inside the waistband. Fold the waistband on the short side, right sides together, and sew along this short side. Trim the corner and turn it inside out. Repeat the process on the other side, which is the underlap. Fold the waistband right sides together, sew along the underlap and the short side, trim the corners and turn it inside out. Use a knitting needle to push out the corners and ensure they are sharp. On the inside of your pants, fold the seam allowance of the waistband inward and pin it in place. Sew it by hand using a fell stitch for a clean finish. Finally, sew in the buttonhole and attach the button on the underlap and waistband. You're all done. We hope you enjoy your new pair of shorts and that you've learned something during this video series. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up.